this is Hassan from HTFX, and I wanted to talk about platinum. Now, on the platinum on the daily chart, okay, this is the main trend. This was the main trend to the downside. From 2008, it worked like this. It was resistance, 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 resistance. Then it was resistance again. It was broken. It was not retested. Okay, there was no, I mean, you can say there was a retest here, of course, but it's not enough. Then we did come back down and broke that too during this coronavirus situation. And then it worked again as a support this time. And now we are actually far away from it. Okay, it was support here, support here. So for us now, for now, the important parts are here. This trend line. This is where it's important. These two, the ones with the green ones. Okay. Now I will explain why these are important. Well, as long as the price are going like this, okay, it looks like these are the levels to be watch out for. Okay. So if you wanna stay long or stay short, these are the levels that you should follow, just for the trend line perspective. Now, what I did actually took a fib from the start of this move to the end of this move, which with this bottom. Okay, so this bottom is actually here, as you can see. Now, what I'm trying to find is, and look, there's another important trend line support here. Something here. Okay. Now you can see all this stuff. I don't even have to put it. These are pretty basic stuff. Okay. It was right here. Now, this trend line, what I'm trying to understand in this work is this: if we break this to the upside, okay, where my next target might likely to be, okay, that's what I want to know. And the place that I come up with comes from this. This is 382 from the top to the bottom, but also from this low to this high, 618. This is the confluence level for the fib level. So if we have a break above here, the next target should be here. Okay, this is the next target that the market will probably react to. Okay, so if we will ever come up to here, then I would not like to be long here anymore. Okay. Now, if I look at this perspective from an Elliott side of things, okay, what it looks to me like, of course, this probably ended something here. Okay, so if I go to my text on the bigger time frame, this is something. This has definitely finished something. Do I know that? No. But I can make an educated guess of what's going on later, okay? So in here, what it looks like, we might have a wave A here, a wave A of a zigzag. Okay, this can be the wave B. It can be the wave C. Now, the trick here is this. We may have an X wave here, which very well can possible. And then we may have a flat in the making. Okay, something like this we can have. A, B, and now we are probably in the C wave. That's one possibility. The other possibility is we were done with the C wave here and then we are going for the second X wave. Now that is an option, okay? And this X wave, there's a trick for this X wave too. Now, if you're looking for a triple combination, you cannot have one small X wave and one large X wave. What I mean is this. when you're using your fib level from the start to the end of the C wave, look at this X wave. Where it comes, it doesn't go below 618, okay? It means that we are in a corrective wave, that we are in a simple correction, complex correction with a small X wave. Now what we have to figure out is this. We should take another fib level from the start of the move, the second. Now, look at this X wave. This X wave cannot finish below 618. Okay, if this is an X wave and if it finishes below 618, it means the whole idea of what we are doing at this arrangement is wrong. Okay, so what we should be also looking to is this. Now maybe this C wave is yes, but maybe this is the end of the X wave. I can immediately find a thing like this. We may be on the X wave, and this is only a wave A. If this is only a wave A, what we should do is try to figure out this move here. Now, if we will have a zigzag, then we should have a B wave and a C wave somewhere here. Okay, that we should break this. Okay, and look, and maybe even some move like this. That is one option. This was the place that we were actually looking for. Also, check this out. If we have this, okay, if we have something like this, maybe we will have an AB equals CD pattern here. That is an option too. Also, what I would like to see is this. Look at this. Okay, and check 161.8 out of it, or actually 138.22 for an elongated one. And look, if we will have somewhere around here, the B wave, if the B wave finishes somewhere around here, we can have something like this too. Okay, so these are all important factors that we should think about. That is another bullish interpretation too. Now, what happens if the B wave here comes down to here? Okay, well, that's cool. It means that we may have a zigzag and an X wave, and instead of a second zigzag, we may have a flat, which is perfectly fine. You can, let's check the fib level. Okay, this is a 618, but of course, what it finished, what it matters. And look, if this is wave A and this comes here, what it is here, what I would be expecting here is a support here. Then I would look for a long opportunity for the B wave here. After the completion of B wave. Okay, so this is when you combine all of this together, this is what the stuff that you should look for. And also, of course, if you can look at your I like to use RSI, but you can technically use MACD or whatever that you like. And of course, if we find something like this here that has some type of oversold position in this trend line, okay, then I would be even happier. Okay, so I hope this makes sense, guys. And still, I can actually create more scenarios at this moment, but as of now, it's better to just watch a little bit more. Okay, the market. But this is the basic idea of it. Thank you, guys, and see you on the next one.